everyone and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things Forex, wherein we make complex trading concepts super easy to understand. Today we are diving into one of the most important aspects of Forex trading, that is currency pairs. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will be feeling like a pro when you hear terms like Euro to US dollars or Great British Pound to Japanese Yen. Let's jump right into the video. Alright, so let's start with the basic. In the world of Forex, you'll constantly come across these currency pairs like the Euro to US dollar or Great British Pound to Japanese Yen. But what do these really mean? Well, here's the scoop. Currencies are always traded in pairs because when you are making a trade, you are essentially buying one currency and selling the other. It's all about the balance. One currency goes up, the other comes down. Okay, so imagine this. You think the euro is going to rise in value compared to the US dollars. In that case, you will buy the euro and sell the dollar. On the flip side, if you think the US dollar will gain strength against the euro, then you will do the opposite. Sell the euro and buy the dollar. It's a simple exchange. But this is what makes Forex trading so dynamic. Here's the secret. The value of one currency is always tied to the strength of other in the pair. It's like a dance. One currency leads while the other follows. Take the euro to US dollar pair for example. If the exchange rate is 1.20, this means that 1 euro is equal to 1.20 US dollars. But here's where it gets interesting. If that rate shifts to 1.25, it means the euro is now stronger against the dollar. That's the magic of Forex. When these values fluctuate, traders have the chance to make a move. The give and take of Forex. Think of Forex trading as a constant exchange. You can't just hold on to the currency. Just like when you travel, you exchange your home currency for the local one. Forex trading operates on the same principle, but this time it's happening on a much larger global scale. So when you hear about pairs like the euro to US dollars or Great British Pound to Japanese Yen in the market, you are looking at a living, breathing relationship between two different currencies. Their value moves in a sync, constantly changing with the market, news and the events happening all around the world. That's the beauty of Forex. The possibilities are endless. So now that you have got a clear picture of how currency pairs work, you are all ready to get started seeing the Forex market to a whole new light. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy to understand Forex tips. Got any more questions or want to see any particular topic next? Then drop a comment below and we will love hearing back from you. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.